Hey everyone, welcome back to my vlog. Today I want to discuss my process of designing this floating shelf you see here. This floating shelf took approximately $60 so far in filaments. You know, that's part of the game. I just want to say that I love 3D printing. You know, it's good to share what I got to you guys and what I've been doing and taking my lumps along the way. And hopefully you guys learn some things too, you know, as I am. But this is the white I'm going to go with. It's going to be cold white that I'm going to go with for my first mass production, and that will be for Amazon. And I'll list them on all my sites. It'll be mainly for Amazon, and you know, we'll see where we go from there. Hopefully we can go different colors. People will request different colors, and yeah, I also, it's just the process of it is so awesome, having a new product line, bringing things together. The one thing that was a huge main flaw, as you can see, this is a glued together one, obviously, and they just kept failing. These just kept failing over and over and over again, right here on the supports. And I tried 1, 2, 3, 4 different styles of supports before I decided to design my own supports. And what we're going to do here is we're going to get into discussing and taking a look at that. Let's take a look at how I designed my own supports for these, all right? Thanks for watching, by the way. I really appreciate it, and have a good day. All right, so I'm going to go through how I did this and the softwares I've used. So let's take a look. So the first thing that's going to do is it's going to come in as an object file. So what you're going to need is Blender for that to open that file. So here's the object file open. Then you're going to export this as an STL for the other softwares so they can read it. So immediately you have to go, you don't have to, but I went into Mesh Mixer because I knew it was all just shells. There's no 3D model here. This is all just shells. So what I had to do is I went into anything. There's a whole lot more, but right here I'll just do my last imperfection is what I found is this huge gap. So what you got to do, you got to separate shells, go in here and translate this stuff around till till all the shells come into play correctly. And then after that, you're going to want to save that out again as your STL file. And at that point, it's going to be there's going to be huge triangles in there. After this, what you're going to want to do is smooth it out. So we're going to bring this, and we're going to go back into Blender. We're going to do the modifier and add a sub modifier of a subdivision surface modifier is what we're going to add there. Okay, and we're going to add all the way up to 4 on that, and we're going to just do a subdivide to smooth the surface. Okay, then after that we're going to bring it into Mastercam, and what I want to do is I want to close this. So I've already closed the top of these with this surface here, but that surface is getting in the way in Mastercam. So I needed to add the back surface to fill it all in flat. And then I needed to add this surface in here. I added a solid block in there just to make sure that it's not going to pick up any air in there, because it did. So I had to put that in there. That block is just to fill up a void of air in between. There's a micro lift of probably 0.2 millimeters in there that I had to fill in, so I just put a block in there. And now what was going on was my supports are breaking right here and right here, constantly breaking on the ends of these, constantly breaking right here. And I had supports go right here, I had supports go all the way to the bottom. It wasn't working out. I wasted all my filament and all my time. So what I did was right here was created my own supports. And that's all I did was just outline the model here the best I could. And I made the supports, I'm gonna say, I think it's 0.1 or 0.2 millimeter gap in there. If you really get it right to where I want to show it, Alt-Phi. So there's a gap I have in between there, and that's just gonna sit in there and hopefully peel right out. Well, not hopefully, it did with the small one. So now we have a big one going in there, and hopefully it's gonna work. And if it doesn't, then son of a gun. But no, it will work. If it works here, it should work there, right? All right. All right, so that's how I went about making that model. So thank you.